everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with ruthierocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. And today we have, excuse me, my voice is going today, a brand new guest, Mrs. Jennifer Bell Castro with Berkshire Hathaway. She's been in the real estate business for about a year and a half right now. And this year she's on pace to crack 20 plus transactions in almost her first full year. So we're excited to have her on, to have her share with her what she did this year to be able to produce that amount of transactions. But before we get to Jennifer, Ruth, what is happening in the real estate market?
John wanted to listen to the show, but I can't get it to work for him for some reason. I don't know, honey. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put everybody in the lobby while I bring up the statistics. And welcome, Jennifer, and hello, Max. Good to see everybody. All right. What's happening in Las Vegas? Well, the big news is, if you haven't heard my show earlier in the week, Applied Analysis came out and told us they're the company that does all the statistics for the LVR, the Las Vegas Board of Realtors. And what they said is that our median price home has jumped up to $421,000. That's good, I guess, if you if you were looking to have more equity in your home. It does put some of the first-time home buyers probably out of the market a little bit, but the interest rates are still low, so that's good news. And if you bought a home in the beginning of the year, you have gained about $50,000 to $60,000 in equity just this year, which is phenomenal. Congratulations. You know, we always say, buy real estate and wait. Don't wait to buy real estate because it always goes up over time. Anyway, we have 26 days of inventory, and we have 608 homes right now in the median price range, 400,000 and below, actually. And 41 were listed yesterday, 400 and below, which is good. That keeps I always say the market's churning. We sell and we list, we sell and we list. So there's always new things to look at. We listed 116 high-rises, condos, single-family homes, and townhomes yesterday. We put 85 under contract. We closed 146 homes, and we have 3,281 available in those four categories. Now, we are on par. Probably, I would say we're going to make the average daily of 140 sales by the end of this month. Right now, we're at 133 sales a day. Competing with last year's numbers, we are a little bit behind. We were doing 141 last year in December, and we're doing 133 sales this year. So anyway, we're still knocking it out of the ballpark. I don't see that this market is going to change at all. We have the millennials coming on board, buying homes. We have people moving here at the rate of 139 a day. That's 5 people move here every hour, and it's not letting up. So I think for Las Vegas market is going to continue to be a hot market. And like I said, if you plan to buy a home in 2022, start your search now. And if you want to sell your home and you're worried that you're not going to be able to find a home because of the low inventory, the agents out there are now finding you a home before you put your home on the market. And so that's the secret sauce. It's the agents have learned how to do that. We've got lots of programs and applications for them to do that for you. So if you're thinking of selling your home, but worried that you might not be able to find a home, a good agent can find you a home.